I've been the victim of a fraudulent tax return case.
Paige Bann thought the IRS must be mistaken because the 20-year-old had never filed taxes before. And that was the key to this scheme.
Someone took my information and filed 2 fraudulent tax returns under my name.
Investigators say someone with access to her college files stole her personal information, then filed past tax returns.
So whenever they do actually get a job and they go file a legitimate return for that year, they're not going to know that a tax return was filed on their behalf a year or two prior.
I would have never caught it. Why would I have any reason to look back at any of my tax returns because I knew what I had filed?
The scheme went undiscovered for years until an audit of a check-cashing business showed a large amount of Treasury checks being cashed. 3 people were arrested in connection to the scheme: Tanya Edwards, Ronald Chisholm, and Mark Jones. Chisholm and Mark Jones are linked to more than 600 false tax returns filed between 2009 and 2014.
Mark Jones was very smart, very intelligent. The scam that he was pulling involved a lot of moving parts by getting the numbers correct for the IRS.
A search warrant of Jones's home showed just how intricate the scheme was when they found piles of notebooks.
We seized 13 of them out of his house, and they were just full of information of the victims. We identified just under 3,000 victims that had their identity stolen.
Inspectors say it is imperative for all of us to safeguard our personal information.
You can get 1 free credit report from each of the 3 agencies every year. I would suggest getting that at least once a year and looking through it and making sure there's nothing out of the ordinary.
And if someone's asking for your information, it's okay to ask what they're doing with it afterwards, where it's going.